Hey, this is Carmen with Main Street ROI, and if you'd like to increase your leads and sales, then I'm about to share with you a secret free tool from Google that will show you exactly what your website visitors are looking for. This powerful free tool is the Google Search Console. Not only will it tell you what search terms your website visitors are using to find your products and services, it gives you a ton of valuable insight and data into how your website really stacks up in search. The best thing about this free tool is that you can find what keywords a page is actually ranking for, optimize your page to use those keywords, and get much more traffic overall. In this video, I'm going to share a few good tips on how to use Google Search Console for keyword research. Because Google Search Console shows you your existing traffic and data, you'll want to have created sufficient content on your website. This would be essential things like your home page, service pages, products, locations, and a blog. Once you've created an account, simply sign in and select your website from the top left-hand corner. Then you'll want to click on the Performance tab, and you'll see it defaults to web, which is organic traffic. The date is set to the last 3 months, and in this example we'll want to look at more data, so I think I'll select the last 16 months. And as you can see, you can select any amount of time here, even go custom. You can click on the Compare tab to compare to a previous time period. But for right now, I'm going to select that 16 months and click Apply. Then I'm going to look at Queries. And under Impressions, I'm going to sort highest to the lowest. In this example, the most shown keyword is corset midi dress. And so I'm going to click on that option, go over here to Pages and click that. And this is the page that Google associates with that keyword the most. So in this instance, what I would do is sign into my website, go to that particular page, and I would add that keyword to my meta title. I would add it to the meta description. I would also add it as image alt text. And some other things that I would do would be to expand the content on that particular page, make it more readable, give the reader all of the information that they need to purchase that particular dress. I would also add incentives like a coupon or mailing list sign up, perhaps even make the buy now button bigger. So there's quite a few things that you can do to improve and optimize really a web page. The other good thing that you can do is go back to Queries and remove that particular keyword, and you can download all of this data basically with the export button up here. You can download it to Google Sheets, Excel, or even a CSV file. So it's very useful data for you to keep if you want to go through each of those keywords to optimize those pages, bring more traffic and visitors and sales into your website. So that is basically how it's done. Using the Google Search Console to uncover valuable keyword research will not only save you a ton of money, it will also help you to increase your leads, sales, and profits. If you'd like more helpful tips on how to improve your SEO, then be sure to grab a copy of our free SEO checklist at the end of this video. Thank you.